Right, so yeah, this works all right, I think. Seems to be pretty stable. Just testing on how it is to pick up audio from. Seems all right. Didn't have too much issues. I just needed, I'm not sure how it is on the road, to go back and check that. These things, there's two little clips underneath, they flap about a bit, so I need to tuck them somewhere, because they just whip my chin, which at these speeds maybe doesn't hurt, but at faster speeds it could do. Sometimes you don't want to use a sticky mount. This one seems to be pretty good. Straps around the side, clips to the helmet. Doesn't look too bad. Doesn't add any weight, and when I don't want to use it, I can just take it off and my helmet is fine and not damaged by any adhesive mounts. So I can take it off for that clean look, or just have it on for when I want to ride. Actually looks quite good, I think. Actually looks really well on there. It doesn't wobble about too much. Well, we'll see what it looks like on the footage. Of course I'm using a Hero 3, but you could use, well, any of the Heroes. In fact, with the newer Heroes, with the stabilisation and stuff. And on my lid, yeah, I can close it on my lid, the visor. Not all helmets can you, but on mine you can. Well, I think apart from some further testing, to see how this is on other helmets, it's not bad on mine. Just need to give it some tests on other helmets. But yeah, I do approve of this. I don't have to put any. I never wanted to put a sticky mount on this camera. Hey, I'm not sure how good this is going to be actually. I can hear a lot of wind noise in my helmet anyway, so the microphone's probably picking all that up. But yeah, there's no microphone plugged in. I'm only going about 25 miles an hour, so this is sort of the speed perhaps you'd be going off road around 25-30 mile an hour. There's no microphone, just whatever's on the GoPro. I'm using the GoPro with the back door, with an open back door, so I get audio, but it's not that horrible muffled audio. Pretty bassy that is, that's horrible. So yeah, just been a quick test. See how this is. I like not having to put a sticky mount on it, because I just feel that it ruins the look of the helmet once you put one on. And then if you haven't put it on right, you can't adjust it, you can't go back and adjust it. And it will work good. The best thing about it is when you meet up with your friends and they don't have a camera, and you don't have a set it up, but they want to have a camera on. Now I can just whack this onto them. We can share a GoPro for the day, so you don't get just footage from one angle. Rain? Rain? I didn't ever ask for this.